Grok 4.5 just dropped, July 2016, 2026. XAI calls it their smartest model yet. Built for coding, agentic tasks, and knowledge work. Not a toy chat upgrade. A production model aimed at real engineering and office workflows. Available in Grok build, in Cursor, and on the SpaceXAI API as Model ID Grok-4.5. If you have been following our cost and provider series, this is the new variable on the board. A frontier option that claims more intelligence per token and per second. Today we break down what shipped, what it costs, and what you should try first this week. The positioning is clear. Real-world engineering, software tasks, multi-step agents, knowledge work that needs tools. Official materials highlight training on coding, science, engineering, and math. Reinforcement learning centered on multi-step software engineering with long agentic rollouts. The practical pitch is end-to-end apps from a single prompt, hard language work, and agent loops that call tools instead of guessing. For teams, that means treat Grok 4.5 as a builder model first. Use it where your last model stalled on multi-file fixes, terminal-style tasks, or tool-heavy workflows. Then expand to general knowledge work once you measure quality on your stack. Specs that matter for production. Context window up to 500,000 tokens. That is enough for large codebases, long tickets, and fat research packs in one pass. Served around 80 tokens per second in XAI's published claims. They also claim roughly 2 times greater token efficiency than leading models on the same tasks, with SWE Bench Pro tasks resolving in far fewer output tokens in their comparison charts. Translation for buyers. Faster wall clock. Lower token burn if the claims hold on your workloads. Do not trust marketing alone. Rerun your own eval set. Prompt Forge is the place to A/B the same brief on Grok 4.5 versus your current primary before you rewire N8N. List pricing published with the launch. $2 per million input tokens, $6 per million output tokens. On paper, that is aggressive for a flagship tier when combined with higher token efficiency claims. Remember, effective cost is list price times tokens used times retries. A cheaper model that loops twice is not cheaper. Use the enterprise rules from our cost episodes. Tag every call. Cap agent retries. Route simple rewrites to a flash path if you keep one. Keep Grok 4.5 for hard coding, agent steps, and high-value knowledge work. Multi-provider failover still applies. One model launch does not erase rate limits or outages. How you actually use it. API model string, Grok 4.5. Responses and chat-style endpoints depending on your client. Tools called out in docs include function calling, web search, X-search, and code execution. Configurable reasoning modes for harder problems. Outside pure API, Grok 4.5 powers Grok build and is available in Cursor. Office-side demos show Excel models with web research, PowerPoint diagrams with native shapes, and word pros. That is the knowledge work lane for business teams, not only engineers. Start with one path. API for production agents. Cursor or Grok build for daily coding. Office plugins for internal decks and models. Your eval checklist. 1. Take 5 real bugs or PRs from last month. Run them with the same brief on Grok 4.5 and your current model. Score correctness, tokens, and time. 2. Run one multi-step agent with tools and a hard stop on retries. Measure completion rate. 3. Drop a large repo slice into the 500K context path and ask for architecture summary plus risk list. 4. Draft one client-facing deck or spreadsheet workflow and have a human score tone and accuracy. 5. Log everything. Model, tokens, latency, edit distance if humans touch the output. Expand only after the numbers beat your baseline on quality and cost. Your move. Create an API key, set model to Grok 4.5 and run your eval set today. Or open Grok build and Cursor free trial usage if you are still exploring. Do not rewrite your whole stack overnight. Prove it on one lane. Coding, support drafts, or sales research. Tune in tomorrow, we wire Grok 4.5 into the N8N model router from earlier in the series. Chat path, reasoning path, and cost tags on every pass. Subscribe if you want the future without the fluff.